Let's see how to set up TP-Link TL-WR845N. Now connect your power line. Now connect internet cable between router and ONU. Now connect internet cable between router and ONU. Now connect your mobile to the new TP-Link router network. This is the router's Wi-Fi name and password. Now go to the tplinkwifi.net. Now you need to create password for your admin panel. Now you have to enter your username and password, which is provided by the internet service provider. You can change the Wi-Fi name and password if you want. Connect your mobile to Wi-Fi again.